I'm over here for about a month in Japan, as y'all already have seen. I just left my most recent hotel and I'm heading on to the next one, but I have some time to kill. And I also have the new Rollei 35 autofocus, thanks to Taylor Jackson. So shout out to Taylor. He let me borrow his because mine didn't come before I got my trip here, but let's walk around and see what we can get with this camera. I'm pretty excited about it, mainly just because it's like a autofocus camera, and having an autofocus film would be really awesome, especially for me when I be hanging out with my kids and I want to just take some photos. I do like the process of film, but having something that I can just kind of pull out and use would be awesome. So got a roll of film in here. We're gonna walk around while I get to my next destination. I'm backpacking, so this boy is heavy, but let's see what we can get. Not much is gonna be happening here in the morning, I think, because it's the night after partying. Everyone's all partied out at this point. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, it's not on. Great job. Bro, these crows are crazy. The shutter's interesting. It feels a little soft to me. Like I wish it clicked more when I hit it. I'm not really feeling the shutter like activate as loud as I would like it to. Right now I'm in Shinjuku. I kind of want to get out of this area. Probably start walking to the area that I need to be in. It's pretty far where I need to get. I have about an hour walk. So it's gonna make sense to just kind of like slowly make my way over there. Maybe we'll go over by Shinjuku Station. How do I know how many shots I have left?
Oh my gosh, are you John Bro?
What? We found him.
Go away.
Oh, hi.
Hey.
I'm recording. Y'all in this. What's up?
Oh, that's fun. Well, nice seeing you. Nice camera. Can I see it? Oh, wow. Property of John Branch now. Well, if I don't see you again.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Happy to see you here in Tokyo.
I'm about to walk to Roppongi. Probably halfway. I'm not going to walk the whole way.
There's a festival going on, you know?
Yeah, if you
Oh,
want
really?
It's like really cool.
It's literally 5 minutes down the street, and on the left at the Hansamon Shrine.
Nice.
It's super cool. But it will be until tomorrow night.
Awesome. I'll make my way over there
Good
then.
shots go there around 8 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, I'm about to hit this and go back over. Thank you. Yeah, no, it's interesting. It takes it a moment to activate the shutter, I guess, because it's auto-focusing. I'm so used to film cameras where you like hit it and you immediately feel that snap feedback. So especially since this is my first time using it, I'm hoping that I actually get good shots. But I have it in auto right now. So as long as the shutter is high enough, I should be good. It probably isn't though. Now the next plan, which I'll probably do when I get home, is try to do like a portrait shoot with it or something. See how that looks. So y'all know the deal. If you want to see that, make sure to follow, subscribe, and like. Let me know in the comments. I wonder if there's a train coming soon. Let's see if we can hit a train. Yeah, the shutter's kind of mushy. Let's go see if we can find that festival he was talking about. I think that's in the opposite direction I'm trying to go, but Where is this festival? Man, my book bag is extra heavy. And I have a long time until it's time to check in at the next place. Oh, is that it on the corner? Maybe I'll walk through there. Looks like they got a bunch of food trucks and stuff. Let's see what they got going on. Wow. Smells so good. Gotta take some iPhone pictures for the kids. Over here trying to shoot from the hip. I probably straight up missed the shot I wanted to take. Oh, they got oysters. That's the seafood roll. Oh, they got fried chicken. Yeah, the shutter feels real slow. Takes it a minute to autofocus. So much good food. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I might have to take some XT5 shots while I'm here. Did I finish my roll? I made it to this park finally. Last time I was here in Japan in February, I tried to come out here, but I came just as it closed. Luckily, the direction I need to go to is actually through this park, so we're gonna take the scenic route. Maybe get some photos on the way. Looks like it's just gonna be mainly trees. It's a park. It's like a national park. I can't remember the name of it. It's nice though. I have no idea where I'm going. See if we can do some flower photos. Oh, there's like a bee on there. Shoot it from here. Yeah, that crank is long. It's the longest crank. That's why I missed it that last time. Also, could y'all hear that autofocus? Now, I don't know if that's just this model. Maybe I'll wait and see till I get mine that I ordered. I can't see the autofocus point either. It's hard to see in the light sometimes. Oh my goodness, so many spider webs. Can I shoot through here? I'm almost done with my whole roll. I'm like halfway through. I was hoping to get this path, but there's probably gonna be people walking the whole time. I like the way that fence looks. They're gonna stop. That'll work for me. Oh wow, they're painting portraits. Unless this bro down there was shooting birds, I was all up in his shot. Sorry, bro. These leaves are gorgeous. I wish I had a longer lens. This is definitely a good telephoto. Just this whole walkway. How nice. When these leaves first changed, it was probably amazing. Yeah, a lot of people out here birding, which makes sense. I want to shoot this again. Down to 20. Oh, nice. He's probably getting a nice compression on the city in the back. Maybe I'll go rent myself like a 500 or something. I don't really shoot long, but it would be fun to shoot long. I think this is the direction I was trying to go, but it looks like you can't leave from here. So I made it to the Roppongi area. Ended up taking the train. I ain't gonna walk that whole way. Make sure we're walking in the right direction, give or take. See what we can find on our way. Looks like a park or something over there on my left. That sculpture looked crazy. It looks like something off of what's that movie? War of the Worlds? War of the Worlds? Or something from like Death Stranding or something. That's crazy. I love all the shapes. Oh, there goes Tokyo Tower. I wish I had better lighting and weather, but like half everything while I'm here is just cloudy. It's kind of the worst. Like the sky just doesn't look nice. Let's hit a pano real quick with the Fuji. Wow, so much cool architecture. All right, we're getting close to the end of this roll. I want to see if I can find something else. I'll give y'all a quick idea of my thoughts too. I pretty much blew through that one roll, and let's just talk about my initial thoughts. The autofocus is mad loud. And I get that it has the autofocus. I'm not trying to be mean about it or anything, but on the same end, like I was trying to take a photo on the subway and it just like draws so much attention because you go to autofocus, it's just like, and everyone looks like, what is that? So that was probably one of the biggest things that stood out to me. Loading the film is a little weird. We'll see how that goes in the future. And other than that, it was cool. Obviously, I haven't seen the photos just yet. Y'all just got to see them. And I'll give some more opinions when I actually get the scans back once I get home. So for now, I hope you enjoyed checking out the new Rollei. Let me know your thoughts if you're gonna pick up one yourself. And if you have like any other comments about it or questions, I'll be happy to make another video as well to kind of go over questions and things. But other than that, I'll catch y'all when I'm back in the States.